Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Muhammad Hassan and today I am going to explore another scent which is from Scent Salim. So I had these oils laying around from Scent Salim from past like 2 or 3 years, but I haven't been able to review them. So this is their oil. Okay, so this is mostly chemical based. Of course, it is not a pure oud oil or any other oil. It is called Creed of Friday, and it is actually I would say that it is very mimicking the Creed Aventus actually. So I already have one review where I have reviewed its perfume oil, and I think this is also very close. Okay, so if you want a cheap alternative and you want to use an oil, not a perfume, and you use a lot of oil, or your work conditions are like you are very sweaty and maybe very hot in your work condition or your office, then you should get this one. I think it's 12 ml and this is a nice one, Creed of Friday. It is like a good alternative in a perfume oil for Creed Aventus. I wouldn't say it is the best or it is great or it is very close to Creed Aventus, but this is you can get when you want a lot of Creed Aventus kind of oil. I have sniffed some local oils from my own country. I have ordered them. They were not this close. This is a bit better. So if I rank it, I would say I would give it 6 out of 10. When I compare it with Creed Aventus. So it is a nice oil. You can start with this one, fruity, vanilla. These are the two things. Yes, it is very fruity. For me, it has some chemical vibe to it, which I really don't like. So if you want a cheap alternative to Creed Aventus, I think you should get this Scent Salim. I would always be honest with any review. If I don't like a perfume or oil, I would say straight that this is what I'm getting from this one, or I don't like this one, or I am having headache from this one. From this one, I think it's very for me it's a bit spiky kind of perfume oil that is going to get some spikes into my head, or a bit of maybe headache inducing, but maybe for other people it is not. I am a bit sensitive to chemicals in the oils or chemicals in the perfumes. So that is my review of Creed of Friday from Scent Salim. I hope you have enjoyed this review, and if you want a cheaper alternative to Creed Aventus, I think this is the oil. If you live in very hot weather or humid weather, I think this is going to help you a lot. So this is my review, simple, straightforward. I didn't like it much, but do try it out. I think it's not very costly. Try to get 3 ml or maybe a sample 1 ml from Scent Salim, and if you like it, you can order more. So I will meet you in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. This is a shorter review of Scent Salim, Salim's Creed of Friday perfume oil. And I think this is one of their best selling perfume oil because it is very close to Creed Aventus and it is actually cheap to buy. So these are the reasons. So we'll meet you in another video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.